Hi everyone, I hope you all are having a lovely Monday. So today we're going to be visiting Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So what are some of the things we're going to go over today? We're going to talk about the location and its history, some important figures, weather, food, main attractions, holidays, and finally some fun facts. So let's start off with its location and history. Kuala Lumpur is the capital of Malaysia. Because of the long name, many people refer to Kuala Lumpur as KL. KL was originally a small hamlet of just a few houses and shops at the confluence of the Sungai Gombak and Sungai Klang. Chinese miners were involved in tin mining up the Selangor River in the 1840s, about 16 kilometers or 10 miles north of present-day Kuala Lumpur. Early KL was a small town that suffered from many social and political problems. The buildings were made of wood. Because of this, the buildings were prone to catching on fire, and due to a lack of proper sanitation, the town was plagued with disease. Kuala Lumpur expanded considerably in the 20th century. It was 0.25 square miles in 1895, but was extended to encompass 7.7 square miles in 1903. By the time it became a municipality in 1948, it had expanded to 36 square miles and then to 94 square miles in 1974 as a federal territory. Some of the important figures are Captain Yap An Love and Sir Frank Athelstane Swettenham. Captain Yap An Loy was the third Captain China of Kuala Lumpur, and in this administrative capacity, played an important role in developing the city as a commercial and mining center during the 19th century. Sir Frank Athelstane Swettenham was a British colonial administrator who became the first President General of the Federated Malay States. This brought the states Selangor, Perak, Negeri Sembilan, and Pangang together under the administration of a Resident General based in Kuala Lumpur. The weather. Protected by the Tidiwangas Range in the east and Indonesia's Sumatra Island in the west, Kuala Lumpur is sheltered from strong winds and has a tropical rainforest climate, hot, humid, and sunny, with abundant rainfall, especially during the northeast monsoon season from October to March. Temperatures tend to remain constant. Some of the main attractions. The PETRONAS Twin Towers. Kuala Lumpur's most recognizable landmark is its Twin Towers, built of reinforced concrete, steel, and glass. Once the tallest towers in the world, the twin skyscrapers remain the tallest twin buildings in the world. The Museum of Illusions. Tricks of the brain and the eye are on display at this family attraction, with a gift store. The KL Museum of Illusions offers an intriguing visual, sensory, and educational experience with a handful of new unexplored illusions. KLCC Park. The KLCC Park is an urban park in Kuala Lumpur city center. The park has been designed to provide greenery to PETRONAS Twin Towers and the area surrounding it. KL Bird Park. A gated attraction, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park is a 20.9-acre public aviary in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is a tropical paradise and a popular eco-tourist attraction that features many different species of colorful and melodic birds. AQUARIA KLCC. Nestled in the heart of the bustling Golden Triangle of Kuala Lumpur and within walking distance from the PETRONAS Twin Towers, AQUARIA KLCC is a state-of-the-art oceanarium showcasing over 5,000 different exhibits of aquatic and land-bound creatures. The PERDANA Botanical Garden. Pack a picnic and stroll through the green oasis in the city. Consider getting an early start or exploring after the worst of the heat has passed. Some of the food. Masak lemak. Masak lemak is a vibrant yellow Malaysian curry. The dish can be prepared with various proteins, such as chicken, fish, beef, or seafood. The base is always the same, a creamy, incredibly flavorful, and spicy combination of turmeric, coconut milk, and various other herbs and spices. Rendang. Rendang is an Indonesian meat dish which originated among the Minangkabau people in the West Sumatra. The dish is famous for its spiciness and a long cooking procedure. It is often compared to Indian curry because of its consistency and unique flavors. Satay. Satay is a traditional Indonesian dish consisting of skewered meat that's served with a sauce on the side. All types of meat can be used to make satay, even some exotic varieties such as crocodile or snake meat. In most cases, the meat is marinated before grilling. Nasi Kandar. This classic Malaysian dish combines steamed rice, an assortment of different curries, sides, and condiments. The rice is occasionally seasoned, and the choice of curries includes various combinations of vegetables, meat, or seafood. Banana leaf rice. Banana leaf rice is a popular and traditional meal in South India and Malaysia, which is served on a banana or plantain leaf. The long green leaves are laid down as a surface on which to eat, and white rice is served in the center, then surrounded with side dishes that are typically vegetarian. So now some of the holidays. The Federal Territory Day. This regional public holiday in the federal territories of Kuala Lumpur, Labuan, and Putrajaya is celebrated annually on February 1st. Also known as Hari Wilayah Persekutuan, the holiday marks the anniversary of the formation of the Kuala Lumpur Federal Territory in 1974. It is celebrated in large numbers by holding colorful parades, concerts, stage shows, competitions, and more. The festivities start at midday with fireworks and include events such as sports, fishing competitions, and many others. Chinese New Year. Due to the large Chinese communities in Kuala Lumpur, Chinese New Year considered one of the most popular festivals in Malaysia. Several activities and events are hosted over a span of several weeks, including lion dances and firecrackers. Many begin their celebrations by cleaning their houses to sweep away bad luck. Doors and walls are decorated with red decorations that feature Chinese words that mean happiness, wealth, and longevity, to help usher in good fortune into their homes. A traditional dish during this time is yisang, which is tossed for prosperity and luck. DEEPAVALI. DEEPAVALI, or Diwali, is celebrated in Malaysia by the local Hindu community in commemoration of Lord Rama and Sita's return to Ayodhya, representing the triumph of good over evil and light over dark. It is a day for people to get together with lively open houses, fireworks displays, and a wide range of Indian delicacies. Hindu temples are lavishly decorated with flowers, and offerings of fruit and coconut milk are placed at the altars. Fun facts. The name Kuala Lumpur is a Malay term meaning muddy confluence, since the city is situated at the confluence of Gombak River and Klang River. Kuala Lumpur residents are sometimes known as Klites. Kuala Lumpur has more than 65 shopping malls, including the world's fourth largest mall. It houses one of the most popular Hindu shrines outside of India, the Batu Caves. So thank you so much for visiting Kuala Lumpur. And that concludes our tour.